When looking for remote start and security solutions from VIPER, the 5108V is a great option. Keep watching to learn more about it. Let's take a look at what's in the box of our 5108V. We have our control module, an impact sensor. The system will come with two 7147V one-way 4-button remotes that work up to a quarter mile, a 6-tone siren, an antenna with an integrated valet button and LED, wiring harnesses, a quick reference install guide for your installer, and an owner's quick reference card with a QR code to access the full owner's guide. Some of the key features for the 5108V are that it has a starter interrupt for vehicle theft prevention, it monitors if door, hood, or trunk are open, it has remote start, remote keyless entry, a panic or car locator function, flashing parking lights when sending commands, an ignition-controlled door lock feature, 3 auxiliary outputs. It is compatible with our VIPER Smart Start Pro and a limited lifetime warranty when professionally installed. For more information on this system or any other VIPER remote start and security solutions, go to viper.com or visit an authorized dealer near you.